Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce monthly payments with LoanDepot, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reduce your monthly payments with LoanDepot, start by gathering all necessary financial documents. This includes your recent pay stubs, bank statements, and tax returns. Next, visit the LoanDepot website or download their mobile app. Create an account if you're a new user, or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the refinancing section of the site. Select Refinance your loan to begin the process. Enter the required information about your current loan. This typically includes your loan amount, interest rate, and remaining balance. After entering your current loan details, fill in your personal and financial information. Be prepared to provide your credit score, which will affect your refinancing options. Once you've submitted your information, review the refinancing offers available to you. These offers will detail new interest rates and potential monthly payment reductions. Choose the option that best fits your financial goals. After selecting a loan, you'll need to provide additional documentation, including proof of income and assets. LoanDepot will assess your application and perform a credit check. Once approved, LoanDepot will present you with a closing estimate. Review all terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. If everything looks good, schedule a closing date for your new loan. Sign the necessary documents during the closing process. Finally, start making your lower monthly payments as per the new loan agreement. Keep track of your payments and stay informed about any potential refinancing options in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.